If you are Muslim and you have kids, this video is for you. This is my first Islamic Quiet Book, a hands-on way for toddlers to discover Islam through play. Let's start with the 5 pillars of Islam, beautifully simplified for little minds. Then step by step, your child can learn how to make wudu through touch, sequence, and repetition. Here's the Islamic Hijri calendar, a gentle way to introduce the months of our faith. And through these felt pieces, your child will explore the basic positions of Salah. Next, match Arabic numbers with stars to support early counting, and discover the pillars of Iman, nurturing faith through visuals and play. Let's grow our good deeds, a visual tracker that encourages kindness, and help your child learn the daily prayers by name and order. Explore the Arabic alphabet, one letter at a time, and finish with a beautiful Islamic puzzle that ties it all together.